In this class, we will discuss the respiratory quotient. It's also known as RQ. Now, what is RQ means? RQ means it is the volume of CO2 released by volume of oxygen absorbed during respiration. Respiration, as we know that in aerobic respiration, oxygen is used and CO2 is released. So RQ means volume of CO2 released to that of volume of oxygen absorbed. Right. Now let's calculate the RQ of the carbohydrates. So carbohydrates, here we will take example of glucose. So here this is a glucose. It's a hexose sugar, glucose is oxidized. So glucose utilized 6 molecules of oxygen during the respiration, and during this process 6 CO2 are released and 6 water are released. So here let's focus only on the CO2 and oxygen. So the oxygen utilized is 6, CO2 released is 6. So according to RQ definition, what is RQ is the volume of CO2 released. So it is 6 CO2 released. So 6 CO2 by volume of oxygen absorbed. So how much oxygen is absorbed is 6 oxygen molecules. So by 6 O2. So what would be the answer is 6 by 6 is 1. So the carbohydrates, the RQ value would be what? 1. Now let's take the second example regarding the fats. Now for fats, what is the RQ value of fats? First, these fats are poor in oxygen. So fats lo sahajanga oxygen concentration takku untadi. And during respiration, fats use more oxygen and they release less CO2. So these are the two important things which we have to notice regarding the fats. Fats are poorer in oxygen. So వాటికి oxygen తక్కువ ఉండడం వల్ల they utilize more oxygen during respiration and release less CO2. So because of this, what happens is the RQ value becomes less than 1. Now let's calculate one example by taking an example. This is tripalmitin. So this is one type of a fat. So 2 molecules of tripalmitin we have taken. Right. So the 2 molecules of tripalmitin to break down, it utilizes 145 oxygen, and after this process 102 CO2 molecules are released, 98 water and energy is released. So the tripalmitin molecules, the fat molecules, they are utilizing 145 oxygen, releasing 102 CO2. So according to the formula, the volume of CO2 released is 102, the volume of oxygen utilized is 145. So 102 by 145 is equal to 0.7. So generally the fats RQ is 0.7. Fats RQ 0.7 లో వస్తుంది. So it is less than 1. And two important points regarding the fats is it's poor in oxygen, and that's the reason why it utilizes more oxygen and releases less CO2. And that's the reason why the RQ value is less than 1, which is 0.7. So let's understand about the proteins. The proteins RQ value is less than 1, which is approximately 0.9. Next, organic acids. The RQ value of organic acid is usually more than 1. Now why such situation arises in organic acids? Because organic acids are rich in oxygen. So సహజంగా organic acids లో oxygen concentration ఎక్కువ ఉంటుంది. So for that respiration they require less oxygen. So they use very less oxygen and release more CO2. So because of these characters, the RQ value will be more than 1. So ఎప్పుడు కూడా RQ of the organic acids is more than 1 because it has more oxygen, and for respiration it takes less oxygen and release more CO2. So that's the reason why the RQ value will be more than 1 in case of organic acid. So by this we have completed the respiration chapter.